How to add widgets to your Mac. It's a great way to keep your calendar, reminders, weather, and other quick info right in front of you without opening any apps. So let me show you how to do it. So as you can see, I have currently those three widgets. I have this calendar, I have time clock, and I have also weather. So if you want to add widgets or you want to remove them, you want to simply right click anywhere on your desktop and you want to go to edit widgets. Okay. And this is going to open this menu at the bottom. And from here, you can manage your widgets. So you have different categories on the left side. So let's say I will click on notes. This basically is going to open all notes widgets. So you can choose from those sizes. So you have this small note widget, or you have, let's say, this wider, and you just simply have to drag it on your desktop. And then if you want to remove it, simply click on this plus or sorry, this minus icon. Okay, and this is going to remove it. Now let's say you have also all widgets. So if you go back to all widgets, you can see the most popular one or suggestions. You have, let's say, this trading widget. You can add it on your desktop. And you have also photo widget. So if I type photo, you can add like custom your own photos in this widget. So firstly, you can, let's say, create album. I'm gonna choose let's say this album. All right, and now let's say we want to add photos in this album. So what we can do, we can go to library, the photos library. Okay, and you can choose if you want to use personal, shared, or both. I'm gonna open both. And you want to create album. If you have your album, you can wait, and I'm gonna show you how you can add it here. If you don't have album, you can simply drag like images from your desktop to this library. And after that, you can select only, if you want to add only one image, select only one image. If you want to add multiple, so then it's going to shuffle on your desktop. You can select all your images, then right click, click on add to, and you want to create new album. I'm gonna name it testing album. After that, we can close this. And now if I right click on this widget, I can click on edit album and I can choose my album. So this testing album, I'm gonna select it, then click done. So this is like a good way to keep your favorite memories, let's say. And now if you want to remove your widgets, it's simple. You just want to go to edit widgets and you can remove widget which you want. So you can only keep this photo widget over here. And that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.